Okay, then this is the main topic. Okay, so first of all we need to understand what is A, B, H, L and E. These are the four important topics. Okay, अरु चीज भन्दा पनि यो चारटा पाँचवटा जुन छ, these are the most important. If you know what is E, what is L, what is H, what is A, what is B, then you all can solve this pyramid chapter easily, because this pyramid either it will come for 4 marks or 5 marks. Okay, 4 or 5 marks. That's why, so be careful. Okay, so let us continue this one now. So look at here. So from this dot line, if you make a straight line, I told you last time also, if we make a 90-degree, okay, straight line making a 90-degree is called height. Ela height bhन्छ जहिले पनि 90 degree बाट perpendicular यसरी उठेको छ भने that is called height. Okay, and here so 90 degree को opposite लाई what do we call it? We call it hypotenuse. Okay, but here in case of this figure, this is the lateral height. Lateral, L-A-T-E-R-A-L, lateral height. So here यो के लेखेको होला सरले भन्छ भने this is the slant, S-L-A-N-T. Okay, S-L-A-N-T, slant height भनेको छड्के height. So we call it slant height, otherwise the lateral height. So this is called the vertical. Okay, vertical भनेको perpendicular उठेको height लाई we call it H. Okay, so height नै हो यो पनि, तर यो ढल्केको height हो यो. Okay, तेर्सेको height हो. So it is in a triangle. Triangle को छड्के परेर बसिरहेछ. That's why we call it L. Is that okay? So 90 degree बिचको लाई we call it H. Slant यो जुन triangle मा बनेको छ, यो triangle मा बनेको height लाई चाहिँ what do we call it? We call it L. है, यो पनि E हो, यो पनि E हो हैन यो. This is not E, this is L, small letter L. Okay, cursive L. Now after that, so this one is a square. In case of square, all sides are equal. That's why these 4 dots are made. 4 dash 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 are made. So to show that these all sides are equal to each other. And this is called A. Okay, this is called A. That means this is the length. Okay, this is the base length. यसलाई हामी A भन्छौं. Okay, suppose if it is 10, if this is 10, then this is also going to be the 10. Okay, why this is 10? Because this is a square, all sides are going to be equal to each other. यो पनि यो 10 हो भने यो पनि 10 हो. Square हो नि त यो. Okay, all sides are equal to each other. यो चारटा जुन छ, they are all equal. If it is 10, this is also 10, this is also 10, this is also 10. That means this is A भनेपछि यो पनि A नै हो. है, so this is A. This is A, अनि यो A को यो आधी हो. Okay, it is the half of A. This is the center. So radius भनेको चाहिँ यो center बाट बनेको. Okay, so that's why if it is A, this is half of A. That's why we call it B भनेको A को आधी हो. B is half of A. भनेपछि if B is 5, then A is double. A भनेको 10 हुन्छ. If A is 20, then B आधी हुन्छ. B is half. So 20 का आधी, it is going to be 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is the relation. So if here it is given, यता दिएको छैन, यता दिएको छ भने पनि यो A नै हो है. So A 10 हो भने B is going to be 5. Okay, so remember in that way. So this is L, this is H, and what is it? यो जुन triangle को यो जुन sides छ, यसरी दिएको छ, this is called E. Okay, E means edge. E-D-G-E, edge. Okay, so these are the things we need to know. So A, this is half of A is called B. Okay, जुन चाहिँ तिम्रो triangle मा use हुन्छ. Okay, and this perpendicular height is called H. Okay, vertical height पनि भन्छ हामी. And this is called the slant height, otherwise we can call it the lateral height. This is denoted by L. So this is the H, E-D-G-E, H. Okay, now let us go to the formula, main formula. So if you see over here, you can see a perpendicular, you can see a right angle triangle, isn't it? Right angle triangle देख्छ. 90 को opposite लाई what do we call it? We call it hypotenuse. So see the उभिएकोलाई के भन्छ? Perpendicular. तल बसेकोलाई what do you call it? We call it base. So what is the formula of Pythagoras theorem? So h square equals to p square plus b square लेख्थ्यौ नि हामी. Do you remember or not? So in case of this one, so h को ठाउँमा के छ? It is L. Okay, hypotenuse को ठाउँमा L छ. Perpendicular को ठाउँमा के छ? H छ. and base ko ठाउँमा त b नै छ. So what is the formula? So L square equals to, that means h square भन्नेको ठाउँमा h, hypotenuse को ठाउँमा L छ नि त. Okay, so that's why L square equals to p square, perpendicular को ठाउँमा के छ h छ. That's why h square plus b square, that means L square. Right? Just remember the hypotenuse wala formula, that Pythagoras formula, and here just remember 90 को opposite is hypotenuse, h square को ठाउँमा p square L square लेख्ने, L square equals to h square plus b square. So this type of formula we have seen in the cone chapter also, if you have remember. Okay, cone chapter मा चाहिँ के थियो भन्दाखेरि L square equals to h square plus r square थियो, because there was a circle. याद छ कि छैन? Okay, so if there is a circle, there will be the radius. Please turn on your video, all of you. So if there is a circle, there will be the radius. If there is a lateral height, then that is denoted by b. Okay, all of you turn on your video, all of you. So pyramid. So what is the formula of LSA? LSA means oripari. Okay, so your formula will be, so how many triangles are there? Oripari means there are altogether how many triangles? 1. Okay, so pichadipati orko triangles are 2. So here is next triangle 3, and here is 4. Oripari, and there are 4 triangles. If you make a pyramid, timarle pyramid deheko cha bhane, okay, so you have seen one song called Terior. Okay, so that was the scene of Egypt. Okay, pyramid, Great Pyramid of Egypt. So in that film, so you can see a pyramid over there. So there are 4 shapes. Okay, so 4 triangular shape is there. Okay, so it was made before many years, but also it is still alive. Okay, that was not made of any cement or something. Okay, it is just made of the rocks only. Okay, so 4 kuna banako एउटा rock so pile up garde, so they have made it. Okay, and so many mummies are kept over there. Okay, so live so live banale, so whenever they are dead, so they are still there in a good condition. Okay, so kunja chemical layer raheko cha, so they are in a good condition. Okay, so you can see, you have heard many things. Okay, maybe you have heard more than me. So in this case, okay, so how many triangles are there? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles are there. That's why your formula will be 4 into area of triangle. So area of triangle ka formula kya ho? Half into base into height, isn't it? So directly 2AL, let us teach you in this way. Okay, so 4 into area of triangle, that means chatta kuna. Always remember LSA means oripari. Okay, oripari means 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles are there. Okay, so that's why 4 into area of triangle means half into base into height. So half and 4 will be cancelled. So it will be 2. So base vaneko ke cha ta? Talapati ke cha? It is A. Your triangle ma ke cha? There is A. Like ke bhancha? A bhancha. So that's why let us write on A into triangle भनेपछि त यो triangle. Right? So height of this triangle is L. So let us write on L. So 2AL is the formula of LSA. Okay, hope you have understood what is A, what is L. A भनेको यो पुरा square ko base लाई we call it A. Okay, and your L means the lateral height, H means the vertical height. Okay, so next one is TSA. TSA भनेको oripari, that means LSA plus base area. So base means there is only one base. The name of this base is called square. So LSA plus area of square. Area of base ko ठाउँमा area of square लेख्दा पनि भयो. So what is the formula of area of square? So area of square means it is L is square. Okay, तर L भनेको त्यता lateral height लेखेको छ. तर यो base को side लाई के भनेर denote गरेछ? A भनेर denote गरेछ. Instead of writing L square, length के हो त? Okay, so what is the value of length over here? There is A. So we need to write on A square. Area of base means it is A square. So just remember, so TSA means LSA plus area of square, or this area of base. LSA means 2AL. Again 2AL निकालिसकेछ. Let us write on 2AL plus, so area of base means A square. Okay, so L square ठाउँमा A square लेख्ने. So volume means 1/3. जुनै पनि चुच्चो चीजको we need to write on 1/3. Last time we have written in the cone chapter also. Okay, 1/3 pi r square h लेथ्यो होला सायद. Okay, so 1/3 into base area. Base area भनेको a square भइहाल्यो. Okay, so base area भनेको area of square. Okay, a square लेख्नु पर्यो. Okay, l square को ठाउँमा a square लेख्ने into height. Always in case of volume we need h. In case of LSA and TSA we need L. Yeah, the H use hundaina. Remember, right? This one, this technique you need to remember. In case of LSA and TSA, at the L what out take us L matra चाहिन्छ हामीलाई. Okay, we just need L only. Remember this technique. LSA भनेपछि हामीलाई के चाहियो? L चाहियो. Okay, we don't need H, we need L. But in case of volume, what we need? We need H. We don't need L. Okay, we need H. La H चाहियो हामीलाई. Got it? So that thing you need to remember. So if LSA, TSA volume तीनटा निकाल्नु भनेछ भने चाहिँ के गर्नु पर्यो? We need to find out LSA also, TSA also, sorry, L also, H also. Okay. So तर volume मात्र भनेछ भने H मात्र निकाल्दा भयो. LSA नभए TSA भनेछ भने L मात्र निकाल्दा भयो. किनभने always remember in case of right angle triangle यसरी दिएको छ भने जहिले तिमीलाई सजिलो क्वेशन कहिले पनि दिँदैन. Okay. So H, L र B बाट Pythagoras theorem हुन्छ. Okay. So L square equals to H square plus B square अघि पनि भनेथे. L square equals to H square plus B square. So तीनटामा दुईटा दिएको हुन्छ and out of 2 we need to find out the remaining one. Okay. So you need to find out the remaining one. And next thing is sometimes age will also be given. Age भनेको your part will also be given. This part will also be given. So if age will be given, then your formula will be E square equals to L square plus B square. Okay, so this thing you need to remember. Hope you have already written this formula. I have already sent the photo in the beginning before half an hour before the starting of the class. Okay, so let me go to the next slide. So look at page number 110. Okay, turn on a book. Okay, so I cannot show you the book of mine. Page number 110. So in this case, what you are asked to find out? So you are asked to find out. So you are asked to find out the slant height. Okay, slant height भनेको के हो? H or L? What is the meaning of slant height? Is it H or L?
L.
It is L. Okay, it is L. So, so what is given in the question? Sorry, Anita. So ABCD, something is written in your book. Okay, so I have not written anything, any alphabets over here. So we need to find out what is A, small a, what is small b, what is H, what is L, what is B. Okay, यो पाँचवटा चीज तिमीले बस्योकै पत्ता लगाऊ. Okay, so कुन कुन के हो? So this 10 centimeter. What is this 10 centimeter? यता पार्टलाई त के पो भन्छौं हामी? We call it as A. Okay, see that figure. यो क्वेशनमा अगाडिको जुन फिगर छ फर्मुला भन्दा अलिकति माथिको जुन फिगर बनाएको थिए मैले. So see that figure. So this is called A. Okay, so this is called A. So 10 centimeter is A. So if you found the value of A, then B पनि निकालिहाल्ने. यो B कति हो त? So B is going to be the half of A. Do you remember or not? Okay, so if this is A, then B is going to be the half of A. Okay, so B is going to be the half of A. That means A by 2. A by 2 means 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means 5 centimeter. Then after that, so this 12 centimeter. So this 12 is what? So 12 is what? It is H. Okay, we call it as H. H is 12 centimeter. And what do we need to find out? We need to find out the slant height. So we need to find out the slant height. So where is the slant height? So here is the slant height. So this you need to find out. L equals to question mark. So here, so L equals to question mark. So how will you find out? So this is H. Okay. So L, if L is missing, otherwise H is missing or B is missing, then we have one formula. Okay. So you तीनटामा एउटा मिस भएको बेलामा हामीसँग एउटा formula छ. के हो त्यो formula को नाम? L square equals to. So here also you can see L square equals to H square plus B square. यो formula लगाउने. Slant height निकाल्ला, otherwise high vertical height निकाल्ला, base निकाल्ला, okay, or A निकाल्ला भन्छ भने we need to use this formula. L square equals to H square plus B square वाला formula लगाउने. Okay. So yeah, let me use this formula. L square equals to H square plus B square. So L, did you get the value? Okay, L निकाल्नु भने चाहिँ L square equals to. Do we have the value of H? Okay, we got the value of H as 12 square plus B. What is the value of B? B is 5, so 5 is square. Okay, so 5 is square. So 12 square means 144. 5 is square means 25. So 144 plus 25, it is going to be 169. Okay, and 169 is the square root of 13. That means 13 square. So square and square will be cancelled. That means L is going to be 13 centimeter. Okay, so we need to find out the value of L, and this is the value of L. Okay, the value of L is going to be 13 centimeter. So make the dotted lines over here, okay, and make this is L square equals to question mark. This is S, this is B, and this is A. Done?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this, let's do it quickly. So let us go to number C. Okay, in question number C, this is given, this part is given. So what do we call this one? This one is called as A. A is 16 centimeter. So if there is A, immediately find out B also. B will be the half of 16, that is going to be 8 centimeter. अब यो part दिएको छ, हामीलाई height दिएको छैन, हामीलाई यो part दिएको छ. Triangle को this part is called edge, E. Okay, so this part is called E. Yes.
Previous number is A or B?
Number A.
Number A.
So turn on your book. Page number 110.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So B is 8 centimeter and E is 17 centimeter. Okay, E is there. L you need to find out. Lateral height you need to find out. So in this case, so how will you find out? What was the formula if there is E? Then E square equals to L square plus B square. Okay, this was the next formula I told you. Okay, so this was the next formula. So E square equals to L square plus B square. So E is how much? 17 square equals to L. L is how much? L. Okay, we don't have the value of L, so L square plus B is how much? B is 8 square. So get the value. Okay, so it is going to be 64. This is going to be 289. So when plus sign go this side, it will be minus sign. Okay, so minus gonna you'll get 225. 225 is the square root of 15, and the value of L is going to be 15 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we can do number C also. If age will be given, use this formula. Age E square equals to L square plus B square. If age will not be given, then L square equals to H square plus B square. That is going to be a formula. Okay, so quickly do this work. So E square equals to B square plus L square. Hey, if there's plus sign, we can change the position also, no problem. मैले अगाडि लेखेको छु मैले पछाडि लेखेको छु no problem if there is plus sign. So in this way we will get our answer. Shall I go to the next slide?
No,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, my dear.
We should copy that draw also diagram.
Give me a copy, I'll do it.
No, sir, I'll do myself. Okay, not seeing that diagram.
Okay, so I've drawn this figure in your book, page number 110. Please copy from there.
Yes, sir. Leave space for that.
Ayub Bantava, please turn on your video. Anshu, Rajashree. Oh, Kingsley. Tanisha. Alisha. Sanjana. Okay, let me go to the next slide quickly. Okay, so here, so in question number 2, hope we have completed, eh? I'll send you the photo afterwards, okay? If you have understood. If there's any problem, you can ask me. Number 2, so find the volume, okay? So what is the formula of volume of pyramid? It is 1/3 a square into h. Let me zoom this one a little bit. Okay, so here volume of pyramid will be 1/3 a square into h. So what are the things required for us? So we need a, we need h. A र h चाहियो हामीलाई. Okay, remember the formula, है? Pyramid volume of pyramid will be 1/3 a square into h. That means हामीलाई a चाहियो, हामीलाई h चाहियो. हामीलाई अरु बरु चाहिएन. We just need a and h. Okay, so see what are the givens over here. So जतासुकै दिएको होस् यो लाइनमा दिएको छ भने we call it a. Hi, this 10 centimeter. Okay, A is 10 centimeter. B पनि निकालिराखौँ न चाहिएला के बा. Okay, so B equals to 5 centimeter. It will be the half of A. A को आधी हो, that means 10 को आधी. So it is half of A, that means 10 divided by 2 will be equal to 5 centimeter. And this part is given. यो पार्टलाई त के भन्छ? यो टुप्पीदेखि यो फेदसम्मलाई what we call it? We call it H. So H is also given 12 centimeter. By chance, if H is not given, then we need to find out H. कसरी निकाल्ने? L square equals to H square plus B square हो, त्यो वाला फर्मुला लाएर निकाल्नु पर्छ. तर यहाँ H is also given, A is also given. जुन given मा हामीलाई फर्मुलामा चाहिएको छ, both of them are given. That's why we can find out the answer. So volume of pyramid equals to 1/3 a square into h. So 1/3 into a square is how much? A square means 10. A square means 10. Right? 10 square. Into h is how much? H is 10. Sorry, h is 12. So put the value, cancel this one. It is going to be 4. So 4 into 100, it's going to be 400 cubic centimeter because it is volume. Volume cube लेख्नु पर्छ 400 cubic centimeter. So in this way, we'll get our answer. Okay, so copy this figure afterwards. So please concentrate on doing the work. Draw this figure with the help of scale and pencil. Eh? Any problem? We have around 10 minutes, so let me go a little bit fast. Shall I go to the next slide? Next number.
Sir, wait, I got
Any
86,
problem?
sir.
Any problem? So
No,
if you know
sir.
the formula, we can solve this one very easily. Right? So A, B, H, L. Oh, this thing only we need to see, find out. Okay. So यो पत्ता लागेपछि चाहिँ we can easily find out other answers. Okay. So just formula लाएर गर्ने मात्रै हो अरु त. Okay. So here let us see number C. This is called what? 10 centimeter. This is A. Now what is given? This one 7.14 centimeter is given. 7.14 means this is what? Is it H or L? What is it? This is L. Okay, L is 7.14 centimeter. So what you are asked to find out? You are again asked to find out the volume. But in case of volume, we are not asked to find out the L. Okay, L होइन हामीलाई H चाहिन्छ भनेपछि ए यसलाई H बनाइदिउँ न त होइन है त्यस्तो. H is this one. This is H. यो L हो. L र H बराबर हुँदैन. Okay, L is always bigger. So what shall we do? We need to use the formula. जहिले पनि एउटा मिसिङ भएको बेलामा तीनटामा एउटा मिसिङ छ भने always use this formula. L square equals to H square plus B square. Now let us use this formula. So L, what is the value of L? 7.14 centimeter. Okay, so there is a square. So let us use the square equals to H. What is the value of H? H we don't know. Plus B. B is 5. 5 is square. So the square of 7.14 square will be 50.5996 something will be there. Okay, there were 4 numbers only when I typed on the calculator. So there was 4 numbers. So I've written all the 4 numbers equals to H square plus 25. Okay, if there are so many numbers, so let us write down only 2 numbers. But if there are only 4 numbers after the decimal, so why to leave that numbers? Okay, so let us write up. So plus when it go this side, it becomes minus sign. Okay, so subtraction gone, it will be 50 point something something equals to H square, and find the square root of this one because the square rather than square root unsa. So square root 25.9769 ko square root nikalne, it becomes 5.097 centimeter. Okay, so this is the value of H. Okay, we got the H also, we got A also. Now use the formula. So here volume of pyramid will be 1 by 3 A square into H. Okay, so 1 by 3 into A square means A means what? A means 10 square into H is how much? 10. Just we have got 5.097. So let us write on 5.097. So after cancelling and all, we will get it as 169.9 cubic centimeter. Okay, so done. So shall I go for the next slide? 7 minutes left now. Any problem? So H was missing over here. That's why we found H by using this formula. L square equals to H square plus B square. But if age is given, age, E deko belama chahi हामीले कुन formula लाउने? E square equals to L square plus B square वाला formula लाउने. So okay, so H L B छ भने चाहिँ L square equals to H square plus B square वाला formula लाउने. Is that okay? So if something is missing, formula आउने बेलामा चाहिँ volume को formula, so that all the formula we can use it. Let me go for the next slide. Okay, I'll send you this photo afterwards. Okay, so let me go for the next slide quickly. So because just few minutes are left, 6 minutes left now. So find LSA and TSA of pyramid. I'll send you the photo afterwards. So 3A, find out LSA also, find out TSA also. Before that one, let us recall the formula. LSA ka formula kya ho? So 2AL. Okay, TSA ka formula kya ho? 2AL plus A square. So only 2 things are required for us. You're A, you're L, and you're A. That means A or L matra chahiye हामीलाई. Okay. So look at the question. What are given over here? Number 3A ma enter. So this is what? 12 centimeter is A. Okay. This is A. A is 12 centimeter. B is going to be half. Sometimes B is also required. So sometimes B pani lekhdium na हामी. Okay. So B चाहिँ लेख्दियौ. A लेख्ने बित्तिकै B चाहिँ लेख्दियौ. Okay. चाहियोस् नचाहियोस्. Let us write on B. So B is going to be the half of A. So A by 2 will be equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. 12 divided by 2. This is going to be 6 centimeter. So L is given 20 centimeter. So let us find out LS and TSA. Okay. So H is not required. So just A and L is required. So both the numbers are there in this question. A and L data. So LSA of pyramid will be 2AL. So 2 into A is how much? 12. L is how much? 20. So multiply it, you will get 480 square centimeter. And TSA of pyramid is it is 2AL plus A square. So use the value again. So 2A means 12, L is 20, A square means 20 square. Okay, so it is going to be 400, it is going to be 480, or given calculation 480. So when we add it, it is going to be 880 square centimeter. So why we are writing square? Because it is area. Okay, lateral surface area, total surface area. Is that okay? Okay, so let me go to the next slide. I'll send you this photo afterwards. Let me go immediately because we just have now 3 minutes left now. Okay, so look at number D. So in this case, what is given? So H is given, isn't it? So 15 centimeter. So this is H. Just see the figure, right? This is H, 15 centimeter. Okay, H is 15 centimeter. And what is this 17 centimeter? You still like the keep one, sir? We got it L. L is 17 centimeter. Your H O, sir, and your L O. So what is not there? हाम्रो फर्मुलामा त के चाहियो हामीलाई 2AL चाहियो. L त छ 17 centimeter, but where is A? Okay, where is A? A is not there. So के गरौँ त भन्दाखेरि पहिला B निकाल्ने. Okay, because B को double हो नि त A भनेको त. Okay, we need to find out A. So B निकालौँ. कुन फर्मुला? L square equals to H square plus B square. So L square means 17 square. H means 15 square. Plus B means we don't know. We don't have the value. Okay, so B निकाल्नु आँटेको हामीले. So 17 square means 289, 225. Okay, so plus B square. So when plus sign go this side, becomes minus. It becomes 64. So 64 go square root कति हुन्छ? 8 square. Okay, 8. It is going to be 8. And square will be cancelled. So that means B is going to be 8 centimeter. I'm like B चाहिने, I'm like 8 चाहिने. Okay, so A is going to be the double of 2A. Sorry, double of B. So I mean to say, if this B is 8 centimeter, your B on the B 8 centimeter over 8 kati bata. Sorry, A kati bata. So A is going to be the double. And B ko double on the A banega. So that's why. So A is going to be double of B. So 2 into B. So 2 into 8, it's going to be 16 centimeter. Okay, we got the value of A also. We got the value of L also. Now just we need to use the formula. And put the value, we'll get the answer. LSA of pyramid means 2AL. So 2 into A means 16. L means L L is 17. So L is 17. So multiply it, you'll get the answer. TSA of pyramid. So 2AL plus A square. Just put the value. 2 into A means 16. L means 17 plus A square means 16 square. Okay, so put the value, get the answer. Okay, so in this way you will get the answer. So if there is any problem, please ask me. Still we have 1.5 minutes left. Any problem? So in this question there was A was missing. Okay, so A wala formula the B wala formula, so that's why we are using this formula. L square equals to H square plus B square. That A lekhne haina, B नै हो formula. So after getting the value of B, then B भनेको त A को आधी हो. A the double on the B ko. That's why we are multiplying with 2. Yeah. So B आधी हो भने A the double. This is A. This is B. So B जति हुन्छ 8 हो भने A will be 16. Okay, so A will be double of it. So 16 centimeter. Then just after getting the value of A and L, we need to put the value and get the answer. LSA of pyramid means 2AL. So TSA of pyramid means 2AL plus A square. Okay, so in that way, we will complete our numbers. Okay, so video may be off anytime. If any problem, you can ask me. Is there any problem?